Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Are you happy today?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Oh, I can eat before my class.
Okay. No, kenapa? Why?
I'm so sleepy right now.
Oh. Mbak Nazifa?
Because I have a lot of free time today.
Dan Alin?
Same to Ziva.
So sweet. Okay. Now, before we started our class, let's reciting basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Now, let's checking our presentation. The first is Azaria, Ika, Ziva, Zahra,
Hadir.
Alin.
Hadir.
Okay. Okay. Now, who's remember what the previous meeting before this meeting?
No.
No. Anybody else that remember previous meeting?
Exposition text.
Exposition text? Alin? No. Okay. So now we will learn about descriptive text. But before start that, we have ice breaking. If I said, if you're happy and unite, clap your hands. If you're happy and unite, clap your hands. If you're happy and unite, clap your hands. Okay. Now before we start that, what is descriptive text? We should have learning objectives for descriptive text. The first is identify the structure and language features of descriptive text. And the second is arrange and write complete descriptive text based on the correct language rules. And the last is present and explain the descriptive text in the form of a poster to group work confidently. If you see this picture and you want to tell your friends about the place, how can you make them imagine about the picture? Do you know what is the place?
Yes.
What is
Borobudur.
Borobudur? Okay. When you want to tell anyone that don't know what is Borobudur, how you can tell them so they can imagine Borobudur?
Temple.
Yes.
A big temple, a lot of temple. I don't know.
A big temple, a lot of temple.
A lot of stone.
Stone. Yes. Okay. Anyone?
The biggest Buddhist temple in Indonesia.
Yes.
Really?
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know about that.
Okay. So that is about imagine from Borobudur temples. Next is what is a descriptive text? Nah, descriptive text tells what something or someone looks like. It describes people, place, and things in detail. So descriptive text is not just about people or place, but animals can do the descriptive text. But the difference in any text is in descriptive text we have detail in the text. The example is Borobudur Temple is an amazing historical place. It has beautiful architecture, large stupas, and peaceful atmosphere. So if we just have to talk Borobudur Temple is an amazing historical place, just talk about just identification, not the tile from the Borobudur. Okay. Okay. So we can use descriptive to give information about something or someone, help the reader imagine clearly and express feeling or impression. Okay, the example of use descriptive text, we can describing a friend, we can describing your pet, describing a favorite place, and describing things, many things. Okay, so identification structure from descriptive text. We have to identify from structure descriptive text. The first is identification, and the second is
Description.
Who can read the identification? Maybe Azaria.
Introduce the person, place, or thing being described.
Okay.
Who or what?
Ika?
Description describes parts, qualities, or characteristics.
Okay. Who can compare the identification and description?
Maybe the description is more specific with the thing, and then the identification is the introduction, like the thing, but not as specific as the description.
Okay, it's correct, Oli. Thank you, Ika. So in the identification, we just have general description, and into the description, we have detail from the places what we want to describe, right? Okay, so descriptive text. Now, in descriptive text, we have literature rules that is have adjective, simple present tense, linking verbs, and specific nouns, and maybe we can figurative language. From adjective, maybe we can see in the next example. There is about Borobudur again. Okay, descriptive text. We should have simple present tense and adjective. Okay, so let's identification from the descriptive text about Borobudur. Okay, you can find the simple present in this text. So if you can find the simple present tense in this text, you can raise your hand. Simple present tense. Okay, the simple present tense like is.
It's famous 19th century.
The temple is beautiful.
Full with
Yes.
The central dome is circled by.
It is the words like just Buddhist.
Okay, so next is the adjective from the descriptive text about Borobudur. Like what? Look at it in model ini. Largest, famous, beautiful, right?
Yes.
Okay, I think the three adjective in descriptive text, there is largest, beautiful, and famous. Let's applause. Okay, this is what we have identification before. There is identification Borobudur, Located Magelang, Central, blah blah blah, from Borobudur, then temple, and the next is description. We have the tile, 6 square, and stake platforms, and 3 circulars, and others. So we have simple present tense. Everyone correctly. That is, Borobudur is famous 19th century Mahayana Buddhist temple. So we have known in the descriptive text there is Borobudur, temple, monument, platforms, dome, and others. And from the adjective we have famous, right? Beautiful and largest. And we can, in the descriptive, we can use numeral 2 from if we want to detail about the largest and others. So, and the last is professional Prasa is located in Magelang. The professional biasanya usually have an identification first. So the location we have in identification before we want into the tile. Okay, now we have group project, and the instruction we have 2 or 3 students. Make it group. You can choose by yourself. Maybe by yourself, but I will take it for you. Zahra, Alin and Randy, Ziva, Ika and Azhar. Okay, let's make a circle maybe or
Maybe
have
people cannot make a circle.
You can consider.
yes, I think we can. Oh, what is it?
In one place.
Okay. No, Azarian. Okay. Okay, so Miss have the picture, and you guys can choose from the picture.
Okay.
Favorite place. I think this is can be your favorite place too.
No.
I think this is, you have three.
I'll take one day.
You are there. Okay.
Malio.
You can choose you are there.
Nah, this is the easiest one.
And
Malio.
Malioboro. Who's always go to Malioboro? Zahra. Okay. Okay.
We get a poster.
Yes, I think for making poster you can use this one.
Okay.
Glue stick. Okay. Okay. So you can use your phone, but not use the GPT or AI, but you can have references from the Google maybe or something else that not automatically you can find the answer. Okay. Okay. You have now to identification and description, right? Start a simple things. Simple poster. Do you have pen, guys?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so you have a pen.
Okay. I think 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Yes. Let's go, guys. I will check your project after this. Okay, maybe you can work team so the project can be success. Yes, your favorite place?
No. Actually, no. This is the easiest one.
Okay. Easy to describe, right?
Marvel is this picture.
Are you happy to make it this project? Yes.
Kalau dari gambar, this is the
It has 6 colors.
one of them is in the picture, and the campus is very big. It has 3 buildings, and the picture has 10 floors. The first building has 10 floors.
Sarah, are you there?
Okay.
The second one has 7.
Ice cream store, ice cream store, batik.
Oh, ada presentation. And we have a presenter.
Ya yang foto kalau ada Jawa tuh sometimes apa yang dia video
Okay, time is over, guys. We will do it again in the next meeting or in your home. Okay.
Hi, Sensei.
Still work team, and we can present poster in front class in the next meeting. Now let's reflection in our meeting. Maybe what have you learned today, guys? About what? Descriptive text.
text.
Okay. Can you identify the structure of descriptive text? You can raise your hand, Nazifa.
identification and description.
Yes, correctly. Woo. Next, what difficulties did you first dari in this project?
To make the identification paragraph.
Identification and paragraph, and maybe we have just a little bit time, so we can do more anymore. So, how did your group work together?
Super enjoy.
Super
Oh,
fun.
yes. And one part did you enjoy the most in this project?
Group project.
Group project.
Yes.
Okay. 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 It does not matter how slow you go as long as you do not to stop. Okay. Before we close our meetings, don't forget continue your project, and we will present in this meeting and the next meeting, and practice together. So don't forget to keep spirit and don't forget to eat. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.